Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK areas. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, first and foremost, let me say this. Vybz Kartel's album of Dance and Divas is on the R&B charts, viewers and subscribers, at number 80, released in the reggae category and has transcended to the R&B category, viewers and subscribers. We talk about major achievements. These are major achievements. Now, Cute Rider, viewers and subscribers, platinum track. Hey, we're not going to see the plaque. We're not going to see the plaque. Now, viewers and subscribers, big up super producer John FX. He produced more than one track on the Off Dance and Divas album. Viewers and subscribers, John FX and Vybz Kartel has brought on Nicki Minaj and Cardi B for the Cute Rider Reggaeton remix. Viewers and subscribers, listen to me. Dancehall has united hip hop, and so it should be. Remember, for those not in the know, and for the people who don't want to talk it, how it go. Dancehall music started hip hop music, and dancehall music was the basic form of even Jamaican music before we categorized reggae. I said this before. Now, reggae music, viewers and subscribers, because of the cultural and spiritual aspects of reggae music rose to prominence, viewers and subscribers, because of the situation Jamaicans were facing during that particular moment in time. And until now, reggae is a world song. Now, viewers and subscribers, Cardi B, Nicki Minaj, not been on, good terms recently. But this video, viewers and subscribers, I walk out, answer the phone and sit up. Yes, viewers and subscribers, this video definitely, don't see it. It put a smile on enough people's face, so now go around, especially hip hop and dancehall fans, because Nicki and Cardi outspoken Vybz Kartel and dancehall fans, viewers and subscribers. Now, John FX has confirmed that remix is on the way, and this is a producer who can do this. That a producer when him talk, I say, oh, wishful thinking. No, this is a producer bigger than even Russian. This is a producer who is a member of the Grammy committee. And on the name them on the hear all the time, on the feel like say, Ray. No, production has a higher level. John FX say remix, and for him say remix, me no doubt it. For him say him gonna link up Cardi B and Nicki Minaj for the remix, me no doubt him. And listen to me. A remix like this with these two ladies, the style of music, the track we are talking about in particular. Wanna get ready? Wanna get ready? Naysayers, now have to go change the name. You know have to go become sayers of yes, because anytime I ask now again who are the biggest artists in dancehall music, who are run dancehall music and a Vybz Kartel, wanna have to go say yes. And any other artist, even if Vybz Kartel is not your favorite artist, you must give credit where credit is due. Because Vybz Kartel be my favorite dancehall artist. I'm gonna say this. Music never started Vybz Kartel. And I have done the research and we can all prove that. Bounty was the artist who brought Vybz Kartel to prominence and continue to pay homage to him up to this day. Now, with that being said, viewers and subscribers, when we say give credit where credit is due, if you bring the table outside of the venue and somebody bring the table inside of the venue, Yes, we have to give respects to the person who brought the table to the venue, but also acknowledge the person who bring it through the gate. That no, man, you never bring it through the gate. You bring it come here, sir. Now dancehall was brought to a certain place, and it was up to the other members of dancehall music and followed in during that generation to move it on. And Vybz Kartel is playing his part, viewers and subscribers, musically. No doubt about that. Would they even see some other artists give back to the genre of music? Vybz Kartel do it over and over again. You know, so the video the people must say big up Vybz Kartel and I big up such and such live, but they lead upon. And I say them win prizes and surprises. Who do that? So them a talk about money and now give back. Why them wait upon something major for happen for them buy two little thing and say Ray and make it look like them a do something? No, them do it for publicity. Some of these things are publicity stunts. The teacher do this just for dancehall music videos and subscribers. If we the vloggers and talk about some of these things, but there just be something we do. Because in this day and age, everything is publicized to a certain extent. But some people are doing it for safe face. Vybz Kartel they behind the bars and authorize these moves. Viewers and subscribers are some people, man. In dancehall music, some artists will make some talk and them fan base are who in a music. Sometimes you don't talk about who don't know about dancehall, who don't do no research. Who don't know about research. You feel like click and go up on a one page and read one article or research. You have to read an opposing article. You have to listen to somebody where I say no and I saw it go. Pick sense of the nonsense. Find the facts. Credible sources. Now for you know what research is, I'm talk about you do research. If you do research, you don't know the Vybz Kartel the king of the dancehall music currently. I don't need no crown to prove that. We don't need to have no crown actually made to present it to him to prove that. We don't need no promoter or no person who keep a stage show to keep no crowning ceremony and picture taker. We don't need that. But we are talking about musical contributions. We are talking about what the fans say. Promoters like to feel like say, oh, if them say an artist is king, that makes them king. And that's how the music works. If the fans now work with that, then you are king to which genre. If the fans of dancehall music have not accepted you as the king, then how are you the king? King of what? The previous king, a king yellow, still not knowledge being. But there's statements were made and some people say I had Beanie was king. Well, those same people that say Kartel a king now say what I say. And it might not be the same individuals, but when we say the same people, we mean fans of the genre in which we are speaking of. Because it was the fans who them say crown King Yellow. It was a kind of more complex Beanie. More complex crowning. If Beanie was even crowned, it was a more complex crowning. I mean, you have to remember, nobody have grown, nobody never born big. Being certain ages, you know, to pre certain things about music. You know what I mean? You just listen to music and a whole of it. You know? The advent of technology has made certain information more available to people. Some people are talking now like, you know what I mean, them in the know. I'm not in the know. The information is available now. And you are making good use of it. Some of that big enough on that. But for those who are trying to spin the facts and talk like, oh, the teacher music now have the numbers and the teacher now and the teacher now, you're wrong. Because we have facts to prove you so no wrong. So need to cease and desist from the negativity. And celebrate the win, because the win for the teachers are win for dancehall music. And if you are truly a fan of dancehall music, then why wouldn't you celebrate the success of another dancehall artist, even if it is not your favorite dancehall artist? That means you're not a fan of dancehall music, you're a fan of this person in particular. Nothing is wrong with that then. Nothing is wrong with that. I am a fan of Vybz Kartel in particular. So if you're a fan of a next artist in particular, nothing is wrong with that. But give credit where credit is due. If another artist put out the artist music video, you're gonna say, yeah, the artist, that video, that is the best music video. Regardless. But we will point out why we think, just like what Kanye West did do, when he jump up on stage and take the award from Taylor Swift and say, watch out, big you up you for all of what you do. But that video was the best video, and then just give him opinion. Everybody's entitled to their opinion. So even the world has to have the best video, and it's a China, it do everything and what it's supposed to do. We can still say, well, in my point of view, that was the best music video. But You have been awarded best, so we are discussing. Facts are facts. By the one called Jayden Chase viewers and subscribers, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you just a pass through, but you like the reason, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You know something that, and for those who don't, you know, move settings fam. I'm gonna need no ladder. My sentiments for you and yours. I'm gonna live, love, and prosper. Comment section open. Drop a like on the blog, share the blog with a friend, tell a friend, tell them to stand them, bear them to check out and check out the reason. Be respectful and mindful of the guidelines in the comment section though. But other than that, you man, move settings from, no need a ladder. Live, love, and prosper.